At Fayetteville Technical Community College, opportunity never stops, and neither do we. Recognized as one of the top 3 community colleges in North Carolina, FTCC students rise early and stay late, balancing work, family, military service, and the pursuit of their goals. With 9 campuses to choose from, each boasting their own unique programs, FTCC has a career pathway for everyone, where students are encouraged to explore their passions, connect with others, and grow into confident leaders. But our students don't just dream, they deliver. Their drive fuels our community with a determination that makes the most of every opportunity. Because of our commitment to student success and workforce development, FTCC offers over 300 state and regionally recognized programs and hands-on training designed to meet the needs of today's employers. Employers know this is the talent that powers our region, and 100% of them say they would hire an FTCC graduate every time.
I chose the Building Construction Technologies program because I really like seeing things be built from the ground up. I gained a lot of knowledge from the Building Construction Technologies program. FTCC helped me balance work and school, and it does mean a lot to be able to go from work-based learning in school to having a full-time position. I would tell anyone that anybody can do it. You just have to apply yourself, and you have to be willing to learn and take advice.
I'm a security analyst intern with the Carolina Cyber Network, and I'm a student at Fayetteville Technical Community College. At Carolina Cyber Network, my internship focuses on identifying and monitoring for cybersecurity incidents related to emails and identity alerts. I do believe that learning all these skills I have through the FTCC and the NCDIT team is going to make me a better cybersecurity professional overall.
When making my decision to come back to college, I of course based a lot of that on my first college experience. FTCC fit me and my goals due to accessibility as well as reputation. And so then I went back and examined what interests me, what I love, what I want to do, and how I want to affect others with what I do. And that led me right back to law. Just knowing that there was an incredible program, incredible support staff, incredible resources was really attractive about this program. Through FTCC's support, I was able to get a job at a local law firm. I get to go above and beyond with the opportunities that I have, as well as make our program proud.
In classrooms, labs, and training grounds, our faculty are solving the challenges of today while preparing students for tomorrow. They challenge their students to think beyond the classroom, to aim higher, push further, and lead with purpose. For generations, FTCC has opened doors to opportunity, advancement, and economic mobility. This isn't just higher education, it's a pathway to purpose. And together, we've moved Fayetteville and our entire region forward with future-ready graduates.